Hey guys, today I have a new box for you guys. This one is called Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So this is $19 a month. They did send me this for review purpose. This is originally, I think, a UK box, but it's now available in the US. So I will put links to both the UK and the US subscription service, whichever one you guys, you know, wherever you live, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in and see what is in this box. It's $19 a month, but it's supposed to have at least $60 worth of products. So first thing that I see in here is a little booklet. So it does say, wow, there's a lot of information in here. So it's kind of like almost like a little magazine. It has all kinds of different things about products and things like that. So that's interesting. And okay, page 4 has what's in August's box. So let's go to page 4 first. Okay. Okay, so I think I got the UK box because it's actually in pounds. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. So first thing that I see in here is it's like this. It's kind of very similar to the glossy box where it has the little tissue paper and the little sticker as well. And let's see what's in here. So first thing I see in here is this little Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. This is called Sea Kissed, and this is worth, let me see, this is worth 8 pounds. Someone's gonna have to help me, or I'm just gonna have to look for what the conversion is so that way I can actually put the total value for you guys. So this is just a cream. I would like to use this in my purse, because we're always forgetting to moisturize our hands, and people say that's where you first get, like, where people can tell your age is through your hands. So yeah, so good to moisturize those babies. And it does have a nice like ocean smell to it. So it is, oh, shh, okay Melissa, my son is sleeping in the next room, so I'm like, oh god. It comes with 1.3 fluid ounces. Okay, so the next product in here is this Mio. It says it's a sun-drenched body wash. It's gentle golden micellar cleanser, and it's 1 fluid ounces. It has a really nice citrusy smell to it, and what else? What does it say here in the little booklet? So this is worth 3.15 pounds. And it says it has a citrusy scent, and it also has a shimmer through it. So it's supposed to give you like a smoothing, soothing effect to your shower. So we will definitely test that little buddy out. That seems kind of like a little travel size one. Next thing in here, it says Percy Reed London. So I've never tried this brand or heard of it, and it's called the Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. So this also has 1 fluid ounce. It says it's a leave-in balm that preps and primes your hair, and it makes wonders in your hair and protects it from frizz and humidity for 72 hours. And it says, just imagine 3 days of frizz-free perfect hair. So that has me curious. And this is worth 8 pounds. And this has a nice clean smell to it, so I will definitely be trying this out and see if it's as good as my, what is that brand? Bumble? Is it Bumble and Bumble that I use? I think it's Bumble and Bumble. Next thing in here is by XOXO London, and this is called their Lash Alert Mascara. It's a wake up and go. I don't know why with these XOXO ones, I don't know if it's the tube, but I feel like they're a lot more drier than other mascaras that come in like a regular tube. So this is what it looks like right there. Let's look at the wand and see. Okay. It's a nice little rounded wand. I feel like this would work really nicely into the lashes. And let's see the price point on this little guy. So this is worth 10 pounds, and you can either get the Black Magic or the Lash Alert one. I have tried the Black Magic, and it's a little more of on the drier side, so hopefully this one won't be. And it's supposed to be like non-smudging, flaking, and supposed to give you fluttery lashes for 12 hours. So this is worth 10 pounds. And then the last thing in here, I think, no, there's 2 more things. Okay, so the next thing in here is the Caldale, and this is a radiance serum, and this is only 0.3 fluid ounces. This is worth 15.33 pounds. Ooh, that's pretty, I can already tell by the size how much it is, that seems to be pretty pricey. So this has something called viniferine, which is 62 times more effective than vitamin C. It's supposed to help lighten dark spots. So I'm gonna test this baby out, especially in this area, like the stash area. I always have issues with melanin in that area, especially after having my son. So I'm gonna test this out right there and see if it really is 62 times more potent. And then the last thing in here is worth 15 pounds. It's a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Blush in Amaretto. I have seen these in the mall all the time, and I know we've gotten a few of these in other boxes, but I've never gotten like a full-on blush. This is almost kind of like a bronzy color for me, but let's go ahead and try this puppy out. Okay, so we're just gonna apply a little to my cheeks. Yeah, it's, oh, this is a very beautiful color. This is like one of those colors that you could basically use with anything just because it's just a very natural looking color. I like this a lot. And it has like a little bit of a shimmer to it. So hopefully you can actually see the color, because I did have a little bit of bronzer on. But I like these kind of like brownish mauve-y tones just because they look very natural, and they just, like, anytime you don't know what blush to use, a color like this is like absolutely perfect. So that is everything that came in the box. Let me know what your opinion is. Are you subscribed to this already? Are you interested in it? I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I have my Instagram and everything down below. I have been just trying to be on top of my game there as well. I will try to do the total in pounds here, and then also in just dollars. So hopefully I will figure that out and get on it. Let me know your thoughts on this box, and yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.